Science 14, Unit C, Section 9.3, Human Organ Systems. We'll look at the digestive system first of all. Food contains stored chemical energy, which is why we eat it. Digestive system is designed to break food down into simpler compounds, which are nutrients that can enter into cells. Your body uses these for energy, growth, and repair. And we have categorized these nutrients into major types: carbohydrates, which are sugars and starches, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Vitamins are organic compounds, minerals are inorganic elements, and of course not all minerals are required by our body for life, and some of them are quite toxic. But if anybody asks, that's the difference between vitamins and minerals. Digestion starts when food enters the mouth. In the mouth, some food is broken down mechanically by chewing, and chemically. There is actually an enzyme called amylase that starts to break down starch in your mouth before you've even swallowed it. Part of swallowing is it going down the esophagus to the stomach. There are wave-like muscle contractions that push the food down into your stomach, where muscles contract to mix food with released acids that activate enzymes to break down and dissolve food. The small intestine is the next part. It neutralizes stomach acid, absorbs most of the nutrients, and releases digestive juices. The large intestine then absorbs vitamins, minerals, and water, because we like those. And the anus discharges solid waste, undigested or indigestible food called feces. The circulatory system is for moving blood throughout the body. Humans have what's called a closed circulatory system, meaning that the blood always stays inside the system, if all goes well. Major parts of the circulatory system are the heart, which is a hollow muscle that pumps blood, the arteries, which carry blood away from the heart, mostly oxygenated blood, but not always. The capillaries or capillaries, depending who you talk to, are tiny vessels that allow things from the blood to diffuse into cells, and they connect arteries to veins. The capillaries are really, really small, like one blood cell thick, essentially at the thinnest. And they're where the magic happens of transferring stuff into cells. And then the veins carry blood back to the heart. The heart receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and then pumps it to the rest of the body. Oxygen-rich blood is red. Deoxygenated blood, that is blood with the oxygen having been diffused into cells, is blue. That's why when you look at some of the veins under your skin, they look kind of blue. The pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood, so that goes from the heart to the lungs. And then the pulmonary vein would be the one that goes the other way from the lungs back to the heart, and it would be carrying oxygenated blood. The digestive and circulatory systems we were looking at, they work together. Nutrients enter the blood from the digestive system, and the circulatory system carries these to other parts. Waste molecules travel from cells into the blood and are filtered out by the kidneys and liver to be excreted. And that's what we need to know.